Okay, this is a bench setup of the starter interrupt system, and we will test it shortly, but first let me explain the wiring. First thing is, we have 4 devices that this system will work with. This is our gnx6, this is our gnx5 3G, this is our gnx5 CDMA with an internal antenna, and this is the same device, a gnx5 CDMA with an external antenna, which you can see comes out, and there he is right there. This is our starter interrupt relay, and this is our 12-volt switched power supply that simulates our constant 12 volts, our ground, and our ignition. Now, both of my contact points here have alligator clips that come off them. As you can see, the extra alligator clip here and here. This has only got one ground wire that we need to tie in for this system, so that's why that's nothing connected there, so don't worry about it. The red ties into our constant 12 volts and our ignition here, but we also need to tie in our constant 12 volts and our ignition to our relay, which is done here by this alligator clip. And as you can see, our red and black, which is our 12 volts and our ignition for the relay, are tied in here. On the relay, you can see that the white wire comes out and is tied into the orange wire as per our diagram on our website, which all of this is wired just like the diagram on the website. We already have power supplied, as you can see by the red light there. So now is the point where we're going to test. Now when we enable and disable this starter interrupt, we're going to hear the relay click. We already have the application pulled up with our device as well. So as you can see here, this is our enable and disable switch. I'm going to click it. Once I click it, we'll wait to hear a click from the relay that tells us that the starter interrupt system is working. So I'm going to click it now. As you can see, it changed. Now we wait for the click from the relay. There's a click. Now in case you didn't hear it that time, I'm going to do it one more time. Back to the application, click it, changes, and then click again. So that is the bench setup of the starter interrupt, and that's how it should function. I hope this video helps you.